With the new e-case system from Einhell, your tools and accessories are not only ideally stored, but you can also transport them safely and conveniently. No matter how difficult your project is, whether you're a craftsman, an ambitious do-it-yourselfer, or a building owner, the sturdy e-case system cases will not let you down. Stack and lock. Combine e-cases quickly and easily with each other. Stable and robust. Ideal for the ordinary construction site use. Various e-cases and customizable accessories offer you maximum flexibility, whether tools, accessories, or large equipment. With the e-cases from Einhell, everything is with you on the construction site. KWB is also part of the system, with a professional tool set and a matching e-case. Thanks to the rubberized large wheels, you pull your tool effortlessly to any place of use, no matter what surface. The Einhell e-case system. Simple, sturdy, flexible.